Hold up. Hey, art lovers. Remember when art was all about paintbrushes and clay? Things are changing, my friends. Big time. We've got robots making art now. Yep, you heard that right. AI is everywhere. Even in the art world. AI is like that friend who learns a new TikTok dance in 5 seconds. It's learning crazy fast. From paintings to music, AI is trying its hand at everything. It's exciting and kind of scary, right? Imagine a world where algorithms help artists create masterpieces. That future is closer than you think. But before we hand over our paintbrushes to robots, let's break this down. Okay, so how do these robots make art? Imagine feeding a computer millions of images, like every painting ever. The AI studies them, learns the patterns, the styles, everything. Then you give it a prompt like a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicorn on Mars. Boom! The AI uses what it's learned to create a brand new image based on your crazy request. It can even mimic famous artists. Think Starry Nights by, a robot Van Gogh. Pretty wild, huh? There are different ways AI makes art. Some use algorithms, others use neural networks. It's complex stuff, but the results are mind-blowing. Not really. Now, before you freak out, AI art has its limits. Sure, it can create cool images, but it doesn't have that human touch. You know, the emotions, the struggles, the life experiences that make art really speak to your soul. AI doesn't have a soul. It relies on data, on what it's been fed. Human artists, they draw inspiration from their lives, their dreams, their heartbreaks. That's why a robot might be able to paint a technically perfect flower, but it can't capture the feeling of getting a bouquet from someone you love. See the difference? Section 4. Humans are still the OG creatives. Look, nothing can replace the power of human creativity. We're wired for it. From the time we're kids, we're doodling, singing, making up stories. It's in our DNA. Human creativity comes from a place deep inside, from our experiences, our emotions, our unique perspectives. We pour our hearts and souls into our art.